Hi there, it's Angela from Rhythm Wigs by Headspace and C. Welcome to another Maintenance Monday and happy holidays. I hope you guys had wonderful holiday celebrations with your family and friends. I sure did. We spent the Christmas holiday in Asheville, North Carolina. We were visiting my son, who is a senior at UNC Asheville, University of North Carolina in Asheville, and we had a great time. I really tried to put my work aside. However, because I have the good fortune of doing what I love, I did talk about hair quite a bit, especially with my niece. But anyway, I plan today to do a product review and ran into some issues, but I'm still going to be able to do some of that. I also want to do a giveaway. I have something to give away to one of my customers, and I'm super excited. 2019 is going to be amazing. I know that already. And one thing that happened that I was really just felt wonderful about is an email I got from a customer, a new customer, and it just really warmed my heart. And what she said is that, I'm reading it here, I am super impressed with the wig line, love the YouTube videos, yay! I've done a deep dive into several human hair wig companies, and this one seems to be the real deal. Yes, I am. I'm looking forward to being a happy repeat customer. So let me tell you why that touched me so deeply. Number one, I hope to engage with the public in such a way that people see the real me and choose to buy my products because I'm authentic. And I don't like seeing myself on video. I don't like hearing my own voice, so I really push myself to do these videos. So hearing that there's people who are looking at the videos and deciding to become customers because of that is really just pushing me through my inhibitions and really doing this. The second and probably the most important thing is that she is really the type of consumer that we love, someone who is takes the time to do research. I've talked to you guys about the trust thing and really finding products and people who sell the products that you can trust. And so when I read the note, I really understood that this is someone who does research, this is someone who wants to buy quality, and in doing so, choosing me means a whole lot. So I'm not going to call her name. I hope she is watching, but I just want to say a special thank you for leaving that note. And finally, what I'll say about that is when she mentions a repeat customer, I do not want my engagement with my customers to be transactional. You know, I give you a product, I take your money, and then we never hear from each other again. I really am interested in engaging with you, helping you, hearing from you, and that's one of the reasons why I do these videos, because I get to expose you to me on an ongoing basis. And so in talking about repeat customers, that's really important for me. Not only, it's not just a money thing, it's because I'm in this to help and to inform and to understand what is needed more and more. And so anyway, so I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good going into 2019. I have a lot of big plans for the company, bringing some new employees on board. I'm going to be bringing some new suppliers. I've been doing research. You know, I'm big on research. So I have been really looking at different suppliers of hair, of caps, of the different products that I'd like to sell throughout 2019. and have made some decisions around that. And so I'm going to be bringing a new vendor on board probably within the next few weeks. So I'm really excited about that. And let's get started in the what's going on with my hair. So earlier today, I decided to do a product review of a product that I came to know because I was in Food Line one day. This was probably 6 weeks ago, something like that. And I noticed that there was a product that was on closeout. And so I pulled out my cell phone and did a lookup on this product called Diva by Cindy. Diva by Cindy. It's a Black-owned company. Cindy is, I believe she's from Ghana. And I was kind of upset because it was on closeout. And, you know, just being an entrepreneur myself, I was like, man, she put in a lot of work to get on the shelves of a supermarket. And for some reason it's closed out. So I took a picture, I put it on Instagram. I was like, look guys, we have to support Black-owned businesses. We have to. You know, if we're not buying our products, if we're not buying products from people who look like us and who understand our hair more than anyone else, there's something wrong. And so I put that on Instagram and got responses, including a response from Cindy. And so we've been talking back and forth, and she does work to help women who are victims of domestic violence. So a really stand-up woman, and I started following her, and we've been back and forth. And so I bought some of her products. This one is the stimulating shampoo and stimulating conditioner. Hope you can see that. And I used it earlier today, both of them, because as you know, I am always putting products on my hair to nourish my hair while it's under the wigs. And I've mentioned to you that I've had some, what is it called? Heat damage to my hair, significant heat damage. I made the wrong call and got my hair flat ironed. And this is after not applying heat for many years. And my hair is not curling up again. Only the new growth is curly. So significant heat damage, and I'm trying not to cut my hair, because if it weren't for my Rhythm Wigs, I definitely would have cut it already. But anyway, so I used the Diva by Cindy stimulating shampoo and stimulating conditioner because I wanted to really do a deep cleansing to take off some of the product that I had put on my hair and put on fresh, clean products, oils and things like that to give my hair moisture. So I used these products and really liked it. You know, she says here that it works. It's for dry, itchy scalp, and it's stimulating. It tingles, and it really did that. And I liked it. I don't have anything on my hair right now because my plan was to, you see, I even washed my Easy Like Sunday Morning ponytail with the same products because I want to see if it works on the hair that I sell also, and it feels really good. But I threw on my ponytail while my hair was wet. The ponytail was wet also, and I believed that this product was also at Harris Teeter because they're no longer in the Food Line, at least not by me, you know, not in my area. So I went out to Harris Teeter because I saw on Diva by Cindy's website that she was out of, they sell in Harris Teeter also. But I went to two Harris Teeters in my area, couldn't find them. My plan was to get a few more of her products to put on my hair so I could talk to you about it today, but I could not do that. But I will tell you that these products, the stimulating shampoo and conditioner, they feel really, really good. They tingle, like she says. And again, without any product on my hair or the ponytail, it's feeling good. I don't have any Horizon products on this. I didn't even clump this hair. I just brushed it through with the wet brush as I did my own hair, and it feels really good. So I'm looking forward to getting some more of Cindy's products and testing them out and sharing them with you in upcoming weeks. Okay? So before I go any further, I found this Cantu shea butter. I've talked to you about this before. As far as I know, this is not a Black-owned company, but I know it's a very popular brand in the natural hair care community. And I've used these products on my own hair. I've used them on my Rhythm Wigs also. I've talked to you about that. And so I got this, and I'm actually going to be doing a giveaway. I've been encouraging you, asking you, pleading with you to take the customer feedback survey. So I am going to do a giveaway. The third person from sending out this video, the third person who does the customer feedback survey, I'm going to reach out to you, get your information, and send this to you. Okay? So that's my big giveaway. And there is one other product that I'm going to be checking out. Her name is Talia Wajid. This is someone that I grew up hearing about. She's from Brooklyn, and as you all know, when I left Jamaica, I spent many years in Brooklyn, so I know Brooklyn very well. And she's been in the natural hair. She is one of the pioneers of the natural hair movement. She just has been doing this and focusing on the natural hair that grows out of our scalp for many years. And she has products, several lines of products. And she's still owning that business, her name. So it's, again, a Black-owned company, Black woman-owned company especially. So I'm going to be looking at her products also. I wanted to mention that to you now because I noticed that she has a sale going on. It's a 30% off sale, so it's significant, and it ends on December 31st at 11:59 p.m. 30% off. I think it's just one of her brands, which is the purest, most natural of her product line. I think it's 97% natural products, and she has 30% off, so it's significant. I haven't used her products myself, maybe one or two over the years, but not as a focus. But I can say that she is really a pioneer in this business. She's even one of the educators that is in the textbook that was used in the natural hair care licensing training that I took, right? So she helped to write the book on natural hair care. So don't wait for me to go and try her products. I can tell you, I've been hearing about her since the 90s in Brooklyn, and she's the real deal Holyfield, as they say. So check her stuff out, Talia Wajid. I will put her link in under wherever they put it on YouTube. I'll put it there so you can check her out yourself. And I'm going to be, as I said, checking out Diva by Cindy, some more of her products, and share those with you. Oh yeah, so I have a sale going on, an end of year inventory sale. So these are wigs that I've had in my studio that I have some of them going for as much as 30% off. I think it's maybe from 20% to 30% off of 9-10 wigs, and they're beautiful, and you may have seen some of them if you've gone to my events or come to my studio and you've been eyeing them. Well, now would be a great time for you to pick one up or two. I will be running the sale until January 2nd at 11:59. So if you have any interest, I've already sent this information out to my customers because they always get first knowledge of what I'm doing. But I'm going to be sending it to everyone at midnight when at midnight whatever, early Monday morning, early December 31st. So you'll have 2 full days to purchase. They're not going to be on my website because all the prices are different. It would just be really hard to get them on the website. But you can DM me or you can call 919-371-8229, or you can send me an email at info@rhythmwigs.com, info@rhythmwigs.com, and let me know which one you like. And what else? I think that's it for today. I did not make this very long. That's my gift to you. So anyway, have an amazing new year. I'm going to be going to church to ring in the new year with my church family and to just start my year off beautifully. I hope you do the same. I hope you have a wonderful 2019, but you'll be hearing from me. All right, take care. Bye-bye.